in robes are white. The blazing sun shall pierce the night, and I will rise among the saints. My gaze transfixed on Jesus' face.
Well, good morning, Trinity Life Church. We are so excited to be in the house of the Lord this Sunday. If you wouldn't mind standing to your feet, we're going to kick it back with a classic this Sunday. I know you all know this song, so let's get ready to praise